And this interesting story is about that pesky rat by Lauren Child. It's me. I'm the one with the pointy nose and beady eyes. The cute one in the middle. I live in dustbin number 3, Ruby Alley. Lives in dustbin. Disgusting. I'm a brown rat. A street rat. But people can call me that pesky rat. I don't know why. They say I smell. Oh my god. But that no my fault. It's the dirt. It's all about the dirt. Sometime when was it talked into my crisp packed. I look up at the all and the cozy windows and I wonder what I would be like to live with the creature, to comfort, to belong to somebody, to be an actual pet. Most of all, I would like to have a name instead of just that pesky rat. My friend Perry, who is Chinchilla, is look after by a rich lady called Madame Fifi. He had a very glamorous life because he lives in the lap of luxury. I say I would quite like to live in a fashionable apartment and be fed while I sit on a feather cushion. She says, "It's not all cushions and chocolates, Madam Fifi." Ma'am Fifi has me shampooed at the pet parlor once a week. Like, I hate having baths. I think I'm allergic to soap. Then there's this Sami's cat called Oscar, lives with Mr. Washington. He's really a busy businessman. Mr. Washington is always at work, so he doesn't I have time to wash for or a bee stick. If I lived there, I could too. Whatever I like. Oscar says, doing whatever you want can get tiring after a while. I sometimes get a bit bored watching the same old shows on TV. Even have to get my own supper. I'm quite good in the kitchen, but I hate to be bored. See, now really wanted to swinging is now preparing. Maybe it's all a bit nerve-wracking for me. I think I would quite like one of those owners and see that owners really puzzled. Very, very well done. Now thinking about all these of stuff, that type of thinking. Now is thinking about the dresses and the clothes. He is really a really clever mouse. They negotiate between them. Me as a mouse. Hey mouse, what are you doing here? The clever mouse.